Hey guys, so I just want to share one great feature that the BMW F30 models have. I mean, if you got the option, obviously, then it has it. But so this is adaptive cruise control. My foot is just kind of dangling there, right? I'm not touching the gas. My foot's just propped up. It's not even, down there. It's just, chilling. And basically you can set how far away you want to be from the car, so you can get further away or closer or even tighter. I prefer to be about there, that way you're kind of, it's a smoother ride. Otherwise you're going to be jerking around a lot, but it'll shift for you, it'll speed up, it'll go down, so you can actually change. You can see my speed there, you can bump it up, and basically it'll get to your speed as long as nobody's in your way. So in this case, I got it set to 81, but it's only going 71 because there's a car in front of me. So as the car moves, you'll notice it'll actually start accelerating, and my foot is still just chilling. So it's a pretty nice feature. And it'll basically, I don't know if it'll stop completely, but I've driven in bumper to bumper traffic, and it almost feels like it's gonna stall. It just kind of rolls and then it picks right back up. So I'll keep this going for a little while, see if we can get to some traffic and kind of show you what I'm talking about. But so there we go. It actually hit the speed limit that I set it to, and then it slowed back down because now we're catching up to the next car. But yeah, it's a relaxing drive. You just keeping your hand on the steering wheel. I'm assuming it's similar to how the Teslas are, where you're just in the car. You're not really doing a whole lot of work. But here we are. We're only going 69 now because there's cars up ahead, so it's not going to go any faster. And as it slows down, it'll go slower. It'll go faster. I mean, you're just basically holding onto the steering wheel, I guess, so you don't fall asleep. But otherwise, your feet don't get tired, and I just want to share that with you guys in case you didn't realize. So watch, if the car cuts me off, it'll actually brake for me and do whatever it needs to do, and then it'll pick right back up where it left off. Thanks for watching, guys, and until next time, like this video, subscribe. If you have any questions, just throw a comment down there and I can answer the comment or make another video. Take care. Alright guys, so you just missed it, but everybody started slamming on their brakes. My lights started flashing. I'm still chilling like before, but here we are. We're just kind of coasting behind the people. I don't know if you can't fit me in here, but just showing you, it's braking, it's getting slower, and my foot is still right there. And there it goes. It's picking right back up. It's going a little bit faster now, and as you can see, my foot is not near the brakes or anything. So watch, this guy's cutting me off, sort of. My car just slammed on its brakes. Oh, look at that. It stopped it for me. So I need my second hand. I'm about to shift and get out of this lane and go to the next. But yeah, I just want to show you that it will actually basically do everything for you.